Ihlanganisela yamayuniyoni ikhosatu ifedusa nesafti bathi angeke badoqiswa ngilokho abakubize njengejima likarhulumende lokuthatha njengelize lakolize umtlhago wabasebenzi ngokwenza ingasuthi uyababonelela kanti udlala ngabo.
What it paid was actually a 3%, and the 4.5% that they add to make a total of 7.5 is merely a cash gratuity which was offered to workers last year. So it cannot be counted into the offer because it is not a new offer. It is an old gratuity which was paid last year. So the Public Service Administration must indeed stop being mischievous about this.
Amayuniyoni athi akunalitho ezobathusela ngejima labo lokuchagala ngelesibili ngeveke zako.
There was never a 7.5% offer that was presented at the PSCBC, but the government has been trying to pull the wool over public servants by distorting the offer.
Abasebenzi bembusweni abangaphasi kwamayuniyoni la besolo bachagala ngesikhathi sedini emvekeni ezidluleko. Urhulumende bekanikelwe amalanga alikhomba ukuthi aphendule inlilo zabasebenzi.
The PSA was shocked to hear Minister of Public Service and Administration telling the nation that workers rejected an offer which is 7.5%. We want to state categorically clear that we condemn that with the respect it deserves, that the minister can go out and lie through his teeth.
Abasebenzi bathi urhulumende uyaraga nokungahloniphi ikambiso yokukhulumisana. Basagandelela ukuthi imirholo ingakakhutshulwa ukufikela ku 10% angekhe bavume ukuthatha nanyana yini.